How to open Netflix account on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to open up Netflix account on Android, first of all launch the Google Play Store application on your device and search for Netflix just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. Now as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update and we have the option of open, which means we have the latest version of the Netflix application. Let's tap on open. This will lead us to the main page of Netflix application on our device. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Now, as you are tapping on the main page of Netflix application, you get to see something like this. Now, if you want to create or you open up the Netflix account on Android, tap on Get Started at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can simply enter your email credential that you'd want to use and then tap on Get Started. Next, tap on Continue to Email, and as you do that, it will land us to a new page over here. So what you simply need to do is you'll be getting that access over here on the Gmail account. So simply you have to verify yourself and you'll be able to create your account on Netflix after a certain payment. So as you do that, you'll be able to open up Netflix account on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.